You asked for it, so here it is. Welcome to my new series, 3-minute code with Volos. In this series I will show you tips and tricks for designing interfaces, and I will teach you how to create some cool elements for your own projects. In the first episode we will learn how to draw smooth arcs and create this cool diagram using simple arc function. The function itself looks like this. At first it seems complicated, but we will break it down. The first two arguments, x and y, are coordinate of center. Next is R1, which represent our radius. We have then R2, which represent inner radius. Number A1 represent start angle, and number A2 represents end angle. Last two arguments are colors. First is color of our arc, and next is color of background. If we talk about angles, you need to know that in this case 0 degrees is at bottom. So here is 90, 180, 270, and whole circle is of course 360 degrees. Keep that in mind. But let's hurry, we have only 3 minutes to learn this. I'm using Lily Goatee Display S3 board, but this will work on any ESP32 board with built-in display if you use TFT ASPI library. We will start with this basic empty sketch. I will share this sketch, you can find it in the description. So here we have a library, constructor, and one sprite. We will init our library. We will create full screen sprite. This part will reduce brightness. We have loop function which will call draw function which will update content of our screen. On start of each cycle we will fill screen black, and at the end we will push our sprite to screen. So first we will need few variables. X will be middle of the screen. 170 divided by 2 is 85. And that's it, we have our first basic arc. Let's upload this. Keep in mind that you need to have correct settings for your board. And here it is, simple basic arc which starts from 0 to 270. But using this knowledge we can make something more complex and more useful, like this bar graph which can show us some values. Let's do this. So whole circle have 360 degrees. If we want a graph of 10 segments, 360 divided by 10 is 36. I will copy this. X can be the same. Here I will use Y 175, outer radius 52, 32, angle is I multiplied by 36, and next angle is I plus 1 multiplied by 36. But in this case a circle will be completed, so we need to reduce it, I don't know, minus 6, and it will be in TFT. And I will need to move, sorry, one mistake. I will need to move this here. This needs to be a last function. I will upload this. And now we can see that I made a mistake. I need to put this graph down, but now we have 10 segments, and let's paint over this bar graph, paint some of these segments in magenta. Put it down, and I will copy same code. But I will reduce this number to 5, and I will replace this silver with magenta. And this is final results. I hope you learned something today. I break my 3-minute rule, but this is first episode, so don't be angry on me. Check description for more details and more instructions, and you can download these examples. Bye! I will see you next time in a new 3 minutes code with Volos. Bye.